Hello and welcome to Cooking with Eve. And today, this is the only episode we're going to have of Cooking with Eve because I am terrible at cooking, but that's going to be fine. Today we are making a pride cake because it is Pride and I am oh so gay and I just love making rainbow cakes. So, let's get into it. So I've been trying to crack eggs with one hand. It's not going well, but you guys are going to watch this. If anyone knows how to crack eggs with one hand, do tell me. I've been making it so it's 2 fingers. I mean, everyone likes 2 fingers, don't they? So, on either side, and then just crack it open. And just, feel the wetness come out. Okay, you can see that consistency. But we're really getting there. Don't look at my tits, Jesus. So this might thicken up your mixture as well, which means you might have to add a little more milk as well. But that, again, completely up to you. I quite like my cake mixture how I like my woman, loose. We're now gonna split it up into the different colours, just like we split people up into different categories if they want to be. If they don't want to be, that's completely fine. Other wisdomy things that I can say about Pride. Wisdomy. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to split our mixture into our 6 bowls. Okay, and then we're going to add all the different colours to get the different layers, and then we're going to cook the layers and put them in our tins and whack them in the oven. Yeah, so let's do that. And yeah, they might say they're straight, but that's fine. Like sexuality is fluid, and they might change their mind. You never know. Not that size matters, it's the motion of the ocean, not the size of the boat. As long as you're happy, I'm happy. That being said, please date me. So we're just going to cut out our shapes just like we would cut out of her life. Cover these tins in butter so the cake doesn't stick. Just like my ex-girlfriend covered our relationship in butter because that didn't stick either. By the way, just to backtrack there, we didn't cover our relationship. That wasn't a kink. We didn't cover ourselves. Oh my god, I'm so lonely. So the first parade celebrating having sex with different people was in 1969. The first sexuality parade was on how brilliant is that? Why is this not a thing? I'm a Gryffindor, but I want to be a Hufflepuff. So does that make me a Grifflepuff or a Hufflegrin? We're just gonna whip some cream. Just whip some cream. Just like my ex-girlfriend whipped me, not in a kinky way. So I got distracted by Rose and Rosie videos, which is fine, and I burnt the cake, which is fine. It's just gonna be brown, which is fine. Peel that off, just like my ex-girlfriend peeled me off from her leg when she dumped me. Okay, I know it's not pretty, but life isn't pretty, okay? And it doesn't have to be pretty to taste good. Right, and there you go, that is our cake. Now I'm just gonna have to put something witty on the top. So, my kitchen's a bit of a mess, and it's a bit leaning to have Pride, but I think it was worth it. Hope you had a good Pride, everyone.